Welcome to episode 28 of ProdPod, the podcast of productivity lessons in 2 minutes or less. I'm Sidney-Smith, your productivity guide. Bernard and Baruch once said, "Only as you do know yourself can your brain serve you as a sharp and efficient tool. Know your own failings, passions, and prejudices so you can separate them from what you see." Many times people ask me for the latest tool, hack, or tip that will get them an edge on their life and work productivity. Well, I don't mind giving that advice at all. So often I'm baffled that more people don't look at the tools we already have available to us. We have one of the greatest miracles in the universe, our bodies, and specifically, as Mr. Baruch mentioned, our minds. There's a world of knowledge at our fingertips about the way we work if we're willing to pay attention. Have you ever noticed that of the many tools available to us, there's usually one right tool for the job? You know you shouldn't hammer a screw into the wall or call your father with your washing machine. One of the most prevalent productivity crimes I see is using your calendar as a task or projects list. What tool may you be misusing when it comes to your own productivity system? Finally, learn how to use the tools you have fully and correctly. 9 times out of 10, you don't need the newest features on a tech gadget that's just been released. Honestly, you lived for how many years without it, and you've done pretty well, right? Your current tools probably have features and functions that you've yet to explore completely. Learn them well, and you'll trust your system more than ever. Getting to know yourself, your current productivity tools, and how to use them correctly is a definitive step in creating flow in your productive life. In the words of photographer Ken Rockwell, maybe because it's entirely an artist's eye, patience, and skill that makes an image, and not his tools. I hope you enjoyed this episode of ProdPod. This is Sidney-Smith, and thanks for listening. Here's to your productivity success in 2 minutes or less.